Okay, before we begin, I just want to make sure that we have your consent to share this video.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Can you tell me about your brief history that brought you to seek care here?
It wasn't a brief history. I've had trouble with my back pretty much since I was about 18, 19 years old. And I had seen a couple of different chiropractors. And the last couple I saw, I just wasn't getting any results. I'd feel fine when I left, and then by the time I got home, all the pain was back. So I searched around and found Dr. Gersten and decided to give it a try, and it's made a huge difference.
So the other treatments that you've sought have been other chiropractors?
Yes, and other techniques.
And what kind of techniques were those?
I went to Health Smart, which I can't tell you the name of that technique, but it was very different. And I think just because it was getting a lot of press at the time, I thought I'd give it a try. And that in particular, nice doctor, well-intentioned, but I would feel good for a half hour, and then it was right back where I was again. So.
Okay, can you tell us about your experience with the technique we use here, that is chiropractic biophysics?
Well, the chiropractic biophysics has really made all the difference in the world. The idea that not only am I getting, a manual adjustment, but that traction is used and stem therapy is used and roller therapy is used, and all the different parts of my body are considered. I think most impressive to me here is that nobody's just looking at one little symptom or one little ache or pain. They're looking at the whole picture and how everything fits together. And that's really made a difference. So even if I come in one day and I'm just complaining about my neck, I still know that someone's going to check my back, someone's going to check my legs, someone's going to check my feet, and make sure that everything's working the way it's supposed to, that everything's working together.
What would you suggest to someone who is in a similar condition to you?
Absolutely come here. I think you have to be a little bit patient. It's not like you're going to be, miraculously cured on your first visit, especially if you've had a history of back pain or neck pain. But I do think you'll see some immediate results. Something will change immediately. And then if you just stay with it, the difference it makes in your life is absolutely unbelievable. It is so hard to describe because now, I'm a mobile functioning person, and even if I, have an accident or a setback, I know I can count on Dr. Gersten to get me back where I was.
That's wonderful to hear, and thank you.